Is YouTube playing in a small window on your TV instead of full screen? Maybe the video is stuck in the corner or showing in a tiny box in the middle of your screen? Then follow my steps, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this problem on any TV brand. So, make sure to watch until the very end so you don't miss any steps. The very first thing we need to do is perform a complete power cycle on your TV or streaming device. This clears out any temporary software glitches that might be causing the display issue. Use your remote to turn off your TV or streaming device. It doesn't matter which brand you have. This works for Samsung, LG, Sony, Fire TV Stick, Roku, Apple TV, and any other device. Now here's the important part. Simply turning off your device with the remote isn't enough, because most devices just go into standby mode. Go to the back of your TV or find the power cable for your streaming device and unplug it from the wall socket. Just pull the plug out completely. Leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds. This waiting period allows all the internal memory and cache to fully clear out. When the 60 seconds are up, plug your device back in and turn it on using the power button on your remote. Wait for it to fully boot up, then open the YouTube app and try playing a video. In most cases, the small screen issue should be completely fixed. Now, if the power cycle didn't solve your problem, the next step is to check your TV's picture settings. Press the settings button on your remote and look for picture settings or display settings. Look for options called aspect ratio, picture size, or screen fit. Make sure it's set to either 16:9, full, or auto. If you see 4:3, zoom, or custom, these might be causing the problem. Change it to 16:9 or full, and check if YouTube now plays in full screen. If YouTube is still showing a small screen, we need to delete and reinstall the YouTube app. Press the home button on your remote and navigate to the YouTube app, but don't open it. Press and hold the select button on your remote for about 2 seconds while YouTube is highlighted. A menu should appear with a delete or uninstall option. Select that and confirm. Now press the home button again and open your TV's App Store. This might be called LG Content Store, Samsung Apps, or Google Play Store depending on your device. Search for YouTube, select it from the results, and then select Install. Once installation is complete, open YouTube and sign back in. The fresh installation should have fixed the small screen issue. And those are the main solutions to fix YouTube showing a small screen on your TV. After following these steps, your videos should be playing in proper full screen mode. If this video helped you out, then leave a comment down below and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.